Welcome back to part 2 of this quick tip video series with Servertech, a brand of Legrand, and Colovore. I'm Marc Cram, Director of New Market Development, and this is...
I'm Peter Harrison. I'm a co-founder of Colovore and the CTO. We're a high-density co-location facility located in Silicon Valley.
So Peter, let me ask you, when your customers come into the facility here at Colovore, do they come in and you engineer it one time and it's set it and forget it? Or do things change over time? Do you see that your customers come in with one idea but then quickly find themselves escalating in what they need within their rack and within their power load?
Definitely. We've spoken a lot about power. We've spoken about the fact that there's power in terms of information, being able to compete more and more rapidly in terms of a rapidly changing marketplace. And we've talked about how that translates into power on the data center floor. But there's another area of power that we also need to think about, the power of choice. And quite often, there's a choice in the business as to how much of your computing power is going to be in the cloud or on premises. And with this hybrid, very fluid type of environment, the ability to predict what you're going to need, when, where, and how becomes increasingly more difficult. And as a result, within the data center, if you can provide that flexibility, then you are in a much better position as a DevOps engineer, as a facilities manager. And so what we're starting to see are customers asking questions about how many C13 outlets do we need? How many C19 outlets do you need? New equipment requires different combinations and permutations of those outlet types. And with the Servertech Cx type outlets, that provides them with this new type of power, the power of choice. And with that, they can start out with 2 rack unit servers that require maybe C13 outlets, or they may go with much larger chassis which require C19 type outlets. And that constantly changes, especially nowadays when we're starting to see servers that are doing more GPU intensive type applications using much bigger power supplies. And as a result of that, we are seeing customers asking about these questions on a day-to-day basis. And like I said before, the Servertech product line provides that flexibility for them.
Fantastic. That speaks well to the flexibility of what you get from the HDOT Cx. This concludes tip number 2, where we talk about flexibility in your PDU. Peter, thank you so much for being a customer. We appreciate it very much.
You're welcome. We really value the partnership with Servertech. And if anybody else wants to get more information about what our services and products have to offer, they can get in contact with us through colovore.com. We really would like to work with them on meeting their needs for HPC, artificial intelligence, blade Servertech deployments that require the high densities that we came to market to provide.
Very good. And for more information from Servertech, check us out at servertech.com.